Not every motorcycle screams for attention. Some just own the road quietly, like a shadow with steel bones and a purpose. This is the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S 650, a bike that doesn't follow anyone's rules, not even its own. And if you think this is just another cruiser, you're about to be surprised. Because under its sleek, low-slung frame is a sport bike heart, one that's just been refined, refreshed, and retuned for a whole new kind of rider. Let's start with the essence. The Vulcan S isn't your average cruiser. It's Kawasaki's answer to the question, what happens when you blend ninja DNA with cruiser ergonomics? The answer? You get a machine that's as comfortable on the boulevard as it is tearing down the back roads. And in 2025, that balance just got a serious upgrade. At the heart of the Vulcan S is the legendary 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin, borrowed from the Ninja 650, but tuned specifically for torque-rich, low-end grunt, and smooth mid-range delivery. This year, Kawasaki has revised the fuel mapping and intake system to improve throttle response and increase efficiency, now delivering smoother power in stop-and-go city traffic and stronger pull when you twist the grip on the open road. It puts out a confident 61 horsepower and around 46 pound-feet of torque, more than enough to keep newer riders engaged and experienced ones entertained. The assist and slipper clutch returns, making gear shifts feather-light and reducing rear wheel hop under hard downshifting. And speaking of gears, the 6-speed transmission stays crisp, precise, and absolutely confidence-inspiring whether you're cruising or carving. But what really sets the Vulcan S apart, and always has, is its Ergo-Fit system. Now more customizable than ever in 2025. 3 handlebar positions, 3 foot peg positions, 3 seat options. Whether you're 5 feet 2 inches or 6 feet 4 inches, this bike adjusts to you, not the other way around. It's like buying a suit that's already been tailored to fit. And here's the kicker. For 2025, Kawasaki is launching a FitKit mobile app. Scan your height and inseam, and it'll recommend the ideal Ergo-Fit layout. You can even preview the setup in AR before walking into a dealership. Smart? Number brilliant? Absolutely. Handling-wise, the Vulcan S remains a confidence machine. The lightweight chassis, coming in at just 498 pounds wet, combined with the sport bike-style 41mm front fork and rear monoshock with 7-way preload adjustability, means the Vulcan doesn't ride like a cruiser. It rides like a low-slung scalpel. The low seat height of 27.8 inches makes it perfect for shorter riders, and the bike's neutral handling inspires confidence right from the first turn. Want to commute? Easy. Want to carve up some weekend canyons? It's ready. Want to take someone on the back? It'll do that too with comfort and grace. Braking gets an upgrade in 2025. A new Nissan ABS system comes standard, offering smoother modulation and improved feedback. A single 300mm disc up front with dual piston calipers, and a 250mm rear. More than enough to bring this cruiser sport hybrid to a swift stop. And for those who ride at night, the new LED headlight and integrated running lights give the Vulcan a fresh, modern stare. Sharper, brighter, and unmistakably bold. Now let's talk style. The 2025 Vulcan S has received a minor visual refresh, but it's the kind of update that speaks volumes. A revised tank shape with deeper knee cuts for a more aggressive stance. New color options like Midnight Plasma, Urban Titanium, and the stunning matte Eclipse Green, a nod to Kawasaki's racing heritage. Subtle pinstripes, blacked-out engine covers, and a new low-profile LED taillight all come together to make this bike look modern without abandoning its roots. And now the surprise. For the first time ever, Kawasaki is releasing a Vulcan S R Edition, a limited-run variant that includes adjustable inverted forks, dual front disc brakes, a more aggressive throttle map, and a factory-installed aero exhaust system, only 500 units globally. And yes, it sounds absolutely wicked. It's Kawasaki's quiet way of saying, if you thought the Vulcan S couldn't bite, think again. So what is the 2025 Vulcan S 650? It's not your dad's cruiser. It's not a beginner bike. And it's definitely not trying to be something it's not. It's a ride-your-own-way kind of machine. Effortlessly cool, surprisingly sporty, deeply customizable, and now smarter than ever. If you're looking for a bike that respects your style, adapts to your size, and keeps the ride exciting no matter your skill level, the Vulcan SE 650 might just be your next two-wheeled obsession. This has been your deep dive review of the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S. For more raw reviews, surprise reveals, and honest rider breakdowns, stick with Acer Rider, where torque meets truth and we ride beyond the brochure. Until next time, ride easy, ride smart, ride Vulcan.